Okay, the other ones, take it out, please, guys.
Okay, hers is ready.
Yep.
So,
And then I want to see yours. Okay, this is yours.
okay, this is my lamb, and I am going to be a very good Chinese girl, and I'm going to use the chopstick
Yes.
that I don't know how to use. Maybe
It's okay.
a YouTube video on me using the chopstick would be so much fun.
I'm not very professional, however, I can grip anything that I like.
On a chopstick. This is lamb actually. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Wow.
这边是特色调料，对，果丸沾一下，很好吃的。
Yummy. And that's a crispy what?
Crispy, like
Tofu skin, right?
yeah,
Tofu skin. And